Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your PostgreSQL database safe. To transfer your PostgreSQL database safely, start by ensuring you have the necessary permissions and access to the database. Open your terminal or command prompt. Log into your PostgreSQL server using the PSQL command. Use the command psqlu username h hostname d database_name to connect. Replace username with your PostgreSQL username. Replace hostname with your server's address, or use localhost for a local connection. Replace database_name with the name of the database you intend to back up. Once connected, verify your database and its contents. To create a backup, exit PSQL by typing \q. Now, execute the pg_dump command in the terminal. The command format is pg_dump username h hostname database_name backup_file.sql. Replace username, hostname, and database_name as before. Choose a suitable name for your backup file, like my_database_backup.sql. If needed, specify the password for your. Wait for the process to complete. Once finished, your backup file will be created in the current directory. To verify the backup, you can open the SQL file in a text editor. Check for the presence of SQL statements representing your database objects. Now you're ready to transfer this file to another server or location. Use a secure method, such as SCP or SFTP, to transfer the backup file. For example, use the command scp backup_file.sql user at destination/path/to/directory. After transferring, log in to the destination server. Use PSQL to create a new database, if necessary. The command is create database new_database_name. Replace new_database_name with your chosen name. Now restore the database from the backup using the command psqlu username h hostname. Confirm the restoration by connecting to the new database. Use \dt to list your tables and ensure everything transferred correctly. Following these steps ensures that your PostgreSQL database is safely backed up and transferred. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.